to enable end-to-end encryption on X or Twitter. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to enable end-to-end encryption on X or Twitter. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, open the Twitter or X application on your device. Log into your account and go straight to Messages at bottom right corner of the screen. And after that, you need to know that end-to-end encryption is only available for users who have subscribed to Twitter Blue or affiliate to a verified Twitter account. And if it is not available for all Twitter or users, then you need to simply have that features on your account. So if you have a verified Twitter account or if you have a subscribe to Twitter Blue, then you can start a direct message and enable the encrypted switch. You can also open an existing message conversation and tap on the info button there. If the option is available for you, then you will see the start end-to-end encrypted message button. Tap on that, and with this, the end-to-end encryption will be enabled in Twitter or app or X. If you find this tutorial helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.